Hello everybody, welcome to the Mystery Steamboat channel. If you subscribed already, a big thumbs up to you. If you're not subscribed, there's a button for subscriptions, there's a bell for notifications when I upload a new video. I'm going to do another little card trick for you now. You can see I'm shuffling away on these cards as I'm talking. These cards, I'll just do it that way, you see there, they come from Walt Disney World. So, great little set of cards these are. And basically, if you was here you could be doing this, but you've not, so I've got some cards to the side there, so it'll make sense as the trick goes on, because what we will do is we'll look for a queen. I think a queen, yeah. If you was here you could shout out queen, you're not here, so let's just go for the Queen of Hearts, because that's very Disney-like, isn't it? So I'm going to stop shuffling there. I'm now going to look for the Queen of Hearts. So let's just see if I can see the Queen of Hearts. Where has she gone? There's our Queen of Clubs, that's no good, is it? Let's see how quickly I'll do this. There's the Queen of Hearts. The King of Hearts there. Queen of Spades, nearly. Come on, Queen of Hearts, she's doesn't want to be found at the minute. Let's see. No, there's no. Oh, there it is. There's the Queen of Hearts there. So I'll put it down there. Right then. Finally got there. That's the Queen of Hearts there. I'll show you the Queen of Hearts there. There she is there. We'll just leave her over there. Now what we'll do is, if you was here, again you could be doing this bit, we will literally just put the deck into three piles, yeah. What these cards are is because, again, if you was here you could point to a deck. So what I've done is I've got some Florida cards, yeah, and Florida cards, it's just basically numbers 1 to 3, yeah, 1 to 3. So it's going to be number 1, number 2 and number 3, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah. So I don't know what these are. I'll just shuffle a little bit there. And let's see, so if you was here now, I would say to you, touch one of those, touch 1, 2 or 3. So let's just see, what pack would you touch? You would touch pack number 3. That's that one there, you'll be touching that one there. So we will lose those cards, and we'll put them there. Hope they don't fall over. So let's try it again. Hopefully we don't get a 3 this time. We're not 1 and 2, but I don't want to put it about all the 3s. So again, it's basically touch 1 or touch 2, yeah? So let's just see. I'll pull out, say, that one there. 2. There we go. So you've touched 2. So I'll tell you what, we'll use those ones, yeah? We'll get rid of them ones as well. In fact, I'll put them down there. Put them down there. We don't need those cards anymore. They will just generate that. So you've touched that card there, yeah? That deck there. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to look over that way and I'm going to show you the card. You've got to memorise this card. I've got no idea what this card is. You've got to memorise this card. So I'll look over that way so you can see that I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Hopefully it's close to the camera. I can't even see where the camera is. Hopefully you can hear me. So memorise that card there. Can you memorise that card, yeah? Pause the video if you need to, but memorise that card there. Now let me hold it that way, because I've got no idea. I might be putting my fingers over the card for all I know. So that's the card there. Memorise that card there. I'll put it there. I'm still looking that way. I don't want to see where I'm putting it. So let's just put it there, say, and put those there. There. So you can see now, oh, no cards there, so it's well and truly lost. And then to make it even more lost, I'll shuffle the cards up a little bit more, because I'm not going to find the card. No, I'm not going to find the card. I'll tell you who's going to find the card. It's the Queen of Hearts. She's going to find the card, yeah? So what she's going to do is, she's going to do some of that. Interesting. She's whispering to me that your card is a black card. Well, now she's whispering to me, it's a spade. It's a black spade. Oh, and she's now whispered to me, it's the ace of spades. So I don't know. The Queen of the Queen of Hearts knows. The question is, was that correct? Was that magic? Only you know. But comment below if it was magic.